Radio dispatch, do you know who this is?
No, who is this is?
Hello, this is Michael with TradeWithoutEmotion.com. Today we released Trading Alert on BXG, trading on the New York Stock Exchange. Our alert went out at $4.42. My entry point was $4.41999, which fortunately we'll just call $4.42. And we closed up at $4.70 with a few after-hour trades. This is our typical trading strategy that we use at Trade Without Emotion. This is my personal strategy that I learned from Thomas now, and we currently sell a DVD on this, and it's called The Bottom Breakout. Anyhow, let's take a look at some of the things going on at the chart here. I want to show that this is my E-Trade real-time trading strategy desktop platform, whatever you want to call it. As you can see right here, I have the daily chart pulled up. I want to point out a few things that I really enjoyed about this. All my criteria was met before I entered this trade. Before this chart even hit my trading platform, it was thoroughly vetted through stockcharts.com to meet my bottom breakout criteria. Anyhow, as you can see right here, we have our RSIs, which I'll confirm today. We have our green, which is the RSI 14 industry standard. Our red is the RSI 5, and this orange yellowish type RSI 2. And these are all in perfect position right now. Our next indicator is our MACD line, which has the histogram bars increasing for the last, I would say, 6 to 7 days, and it looks like we're going to have a potential signal line crossover. And our money flow index down here is just coming out of oversold territory, crossing right above the 20 line. Additionally, as you can see over here, we've had pretty low volume. It wasn't anything significant. Our total volume today was 71,000 shares traded. Yesterday's volume was 81,000 shares traded, and our 10-day average volume is about 110,000 shares traded. So the good thing about this is that we're moving up on low volume, which the high volume is attributed to this excessive downtrend that we had right here. So basically what I was looking for is this chart to round out at the bottom right here. Typically, if I'm playing it a little more risky, I would have entered on the previous trading day right here. Since the bottom was confirmed, I wanted to be a little more conservative and wait for the RSIs to confirm and enter here. Our target exit point here is at about 531 to 520, somewhere in that area, whatever you feel comfortable with. Like I said, we made 16% profit in 45 minutes. Typically I would have taken my profit, but I wanted to show the viewers out there how this can be done quite quickly and quite easily. I have 1,800 shares in this, so you can imagine that this has been a very good day for me. I want all of you to learn how to do this. As you can see right here, this is the alert that I sent out at about 3:12, 3:15 this Eastern Standard Time, which is about, a minute and a half after I purchased my own stock. What this is leading up to is our real-time trading alerts that we're going to be selling for $29.99 a month. Basically, you're going to get access to my real-time desktop and what I'm trading at the moment and how much I'm making and everything. This is going to be very open book and very interesting. The ultimate goal for us here at Trade Without Emotion is to teach people to learn how to trade. I want you to become independent. I don't want you to rely on me or anybody else at Trade Without Emotion. It is our ultimate goal to help you become successful in trading. It's not as hard as you think. Like I said earlier, I've done very well. One more thing I want to point out about this chart, and that is my stop loss area that you can see I set at $4.24, which is probably a little bit low. I should be higher, but I like these 2 points on these 2 candlesticks right here. We had the main body main body open here, and then our upper wick on yesterday's trading shadow. So like I said, let's learn from this. Hopefully tomorrow we'll get a nice big gap up, and let's take our profits right there at the simple moving average 20, which is, I said, I think 531. And let's learn to trade without emotion, and let's all make a lot of money. Have a good day.